Good morning, students. So today's topic is exponents and powers. Now see, let x be a non-zero real number and m comma n are be positive integers. Then see the last nana, x power m into x power n is equals to x power m plus n, x power m whole power n is equals to x power mn. So that is m into n. X power m by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. The condition is if m is greater than n. Okay. Again, that is equals to 1 by x power n minus m. 1 by x power n minus m. The condition is if m is less than n. Okay. If m is equals to n is equals to 1. Okay now. Here x power m by x power n is equals to 1. The condition is if m is equals to n. Okay. Next one. Fourth one, x power 0 is equals to 1. X power m okay students, x power m into y power m is equals to xy whole power m. X power m by y power m is equals to x by y whole power m. X power minus m is equals to 1 by x power m. X power minus m is equals to 1 by x power m. So these are the laws of exponents, children. When x be a non-zero real number and m comma n are be positive integers. Now we are going to discuss some problems on this model. Already we discussed it, so this is the revision class for you. 3 power 2 whole power 4 power 6. Okay na students? So this is the question for you. You try to see the middle part. The form is x power m whole power n is equals to, that is x power mn. Okay, x power m whole power n is equals to x power mn. So what I am doing here, 3 power 2 into 4. Okay, power 6 is there. Now 3 power 2 4s are 8 power 6. Okay, whole power 6. Again x power m whole power n. Again I am writing this one, 3 power 8 into 6. That is 3 power 8 6 are 48. So this is the required answer for this question. So like this we use laws of exponents are useful for simplifying this kind of problems. Okay na students?
Azar.
Simplifying 4 power minus 2 divided by 6 power minus 2 ఇక్కడ whole power 2 ఉంది into 3 power minus 4. So now see Nana, we have a law that is x power minus m is equals to 1 by x power m. X power minus m is equals to what Nana? 1 by x power m. So I am writing here this one 1 by 4 power 2. 4 power minus 2, I am writing 1 by 4 power 2 divided by, here also 6 power minus 2, I am writing 1 by 6 power 2 whole power 2 into 3 power minus 4. Okay, so this one also we can write x power minus m ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 by 3 power 4 గా రాయొచ్చు. సో ఇప్పుడు రెసిప్రోకల్స్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది నాన్న? యాక్చువల్గా దీన్ని యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇలా 1 by 4 power 2 into 6 power 2 by 1 whole square into 1 by 3 power 4. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? 1 by 4 power 2 ఈ డివిజన్ సింబల్ని మనం ఇంటూగా రాసాము. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 6 power 2? That is 6 power 2 by 1. So 1 into 6 power 2 and 4 power 2 into 1. So that is 6 power 2 by 4 power 2 whole power 2 into 1 by 3 power 4. So I am applying like this 6 power 2 whole power 2 by 4 power 2 whole power 2 is equals into 1 by 3 by 4. ఇక్కడ 6 power 2 by 4 power 2 కి whole power వచ్చేసి 2 ఉంది. సో ఇండివిజువల్గా అప్లై చేస్తే 6 power 2 whole power 2 by 4 power 2 whole power 2. ఓకేనా? Now we can write this one 6 power 4. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ అవుతుంది? x power m whole power n is equals to x power mn. m into n mn. So 6 power 2 whole power 2 means that is 6 power 4 by 4 power 2 whole power 2 means that is 4 power 4 will come into 1 by 3 power 4. Now you can write this one 6 means you can write it as 2 into 3. 6 ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు నాన్న? 2 into 3 power 4 by 4 ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు నాన్న? You can write 2 power 2 అని రాయొచ్చు. 6 means that is 2 into 3. 4 means that is 2 square. So 4 అంటే 2 square రాసా, power 4 ఉంది into 1 by 3 power 4. నా ఈ 4ని ఈ పవర్ని ఇండివిజువల్గా అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 by 2 power 2 into 4 ఉంది. సో 2 4s are దట్ ఈస్ 8 వస్తుంది into 1 by 3 power 4. నా ఇక్కడ ఇండివిజువల్గా చూడండి అన్న. Try to see this one 2 power 4 by 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 by 3 power 4. Okay, so దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? The form is x power m by x power n is equals to x power 1 by x power n minus m. Because of here the condition is n is greater than m or m is less than n. Okay, the formula. So I am applying for this one 2 power 4 by 2 power 8. Then what happens? See, that is 1 by 2 power 8 minus 4 into 3 power 4 minus 4. ఇది ఎలా వస్తుందన్న? 3 power అంటే x power m by x power n ఇక్కడ m is equals to n, x power m by x power n అంటే కండిషన్ వచ్చేసి m is equals to n వస్తుంది. అంటే 4 ఇది m value 4, n value also 4. So we will get here 2 power 8 minus 4 means 4 into 3 power 4 minus 4 అంటే 0. So 1 into 3 power 0 అంటే 3 power 0 by 2 power 4. So 3 power 0 అంటే what nana, that is 1 because of x power 0 is equals to 1. So that's why 3 power 0 is equals to 1. By 2 power 4 అంటే that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to the power 4, that is equals to 1 by 16 will come. Okay na students? So this is the required answer for the question. Okay students, now next question from comparing quantities using proportions. So the question is, if 8.5 percentage of a number is 68, find the number. What is the question, Anna? If 8.5 percentage of a number is 68, find the number. So clearly we don't know the number. మనకి number ఏంటో తెలియదు. Yes, so that's why let the number be x. Okay, na number na x అనుకున్నాం. So according to the question, 8.5 percentage of x is equals to 68. Now 8.5 by percentage అంటే for every 100, half means into x is equals to 68. Now ఇక్కడ 0.5 8.5 ఉంది. So then we can write it as 85 by 10 by 100 by 1 గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. 8.5 ఎలా రాయొచ్చు ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఫామ్ లో, దట్ ఈస్ 85 by 10, ఈ 100 ని 100 by 1 అని రాస్తాం, ఇంటూ x is equals to 68. So that is 85 by 10 into 100 by 1 ని రెసిప్రోకల్ చేస్తే that is 1 by 100 into x is equals to 68. Now we can write this one 85 by 1000 into x is equals to 68. Then transposing means x is equals to 68 into ఇక్కడ ఇది ఇంటూ క్వాంటిటీ కదమ్మా, 85 by 1000 అనేది ఇంటూ క్వాంటిటీ, ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ అయిపోతే అది కాస్త డివిజన్ క్వాంటిటీ అయిపోతుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ 68 by 85 by 1000 అవుతుంది. సో దెన్ x is equals to 68 ఇంటూ దీన్ని రెసిప్రోకల్గా రాస్తే దట్ ఈస్ 1000 by 85 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో యూజింగ్ 5 టేబుల్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు క్యాన్సిలింగ్. 5 1s are 5, 8లో 5 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 3 ఉంటుంది, బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 7. ఓకేనా, అంటే 35 వస్తుంది. 5 7s are 35 అంటే 17 5s are 85 వస్తుంది. అగైన్ 5 2s are 10 0 0. ఓకేనా, now 17 1s are 17, 17 4s are 68. So 4 into 200, so that is what Nana, 800. So therefore let the number, what is the required number? The required number x is equals to 800. So this is the solution. So you can write 8.5 percentage of 800 is equals to 68. Okay na students? Thank you.